Guys, it's the Lion18, aka Jonas. We're here with a slime tutorial, and the thing is about this, my sister and my cousin are going to be teaching me how to make slime today. She makes slime almost every day. She makes slime sometimes, so let's get straight into it. Sophie, so what's the first ingredient we're going to use?
So first, we pour in a little bit of glue.
Okay, go first. Thank you. Not too much, not too much, not too much, but a little. So glue goes in. Is that enough?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to grab some napkins. Thank you. That's a lot. Oh, it'll do. So Sophie, there's the slime. Or there's your slime. Yeah. Once we all get it done, what's the next ingredient, Sophie?
Then it's...
Mix it.
Hold on.
Oh, there we go.
We need one more.
Jeez. One more ingredient day.
What do we need,
Soap.
Sophie?
Oh,
So,
yes,
we need
soap.
soap.
Okay.
You're doing soap. Okay, next you pour in the soap.
Just pour it in.
You can just
Yeah, just pour it. I'm gonna squirt it then. Oh, this looks beautiful. I've never
Okay,
had
that's
a
good.
slime with soap, but sure, let's do it anyway.
Except she's not used to shaving cream. That's
There you go. And so this looks.
That was my napkin.
Sister, that's fine. It happened. All right.
And then
Okay,
next,
so
lotion.
lotion.
You pour in a little bit of the lotion.
Ooh, this is Bath and Body Works. Perfect lotion.
And soap.
This is not a sponsored video.
No, it's not. That's what we're doing. Okay. Give it to Laura now. You might want to have to shake it up. Yeah, that. Okay.
That's
Oh yeah, guys, if you haven't saw my Minecraft Let's Play series, you should go watch that. And Logan, show you the camera your face. That is the wonderful Logan.
Hi, guys. Today I'm the cameraman.
Yeah. He's Ryder Geiger Gaming. He's pretty savage. Go and like and subscribe to him. He's pretty cool.
Okay.
And then you can choose from these colors or the...
And what color are you choosing?
Choosing blue, my favorite color.
Okay.
I'll choose yellow. I would choose...
Oh my gosh. Do you have any other blues?
No.
This is not working.
So if you might want to do green because both of these will work out.
You know what? I'm just gonna do that. Really, that color is not gonna work very well.
Okay.
And so that needs best. Anyone want to use green?
I will.
No, I'm going to use yellow.
It looks like Jonas is using green, but on this screen it looks blue.
And also,
Well, that's because it's
That's
really
because
dark.
that's
It's
right
really
now.
dark. It's really dark.
okay. So,
Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna just go-
Oh,
no.
There's like none got all over there.
don't get on it. So,
Any more colors you're adding?
nope, I'm good.
Okay.
All right. Now shaving cream.
Hold on.
Go first.
Can you help me, Jonas? Just like that. So first we stir it.
You get, stir.
Yeah.
Got it.
You don't have to.
Stir. See, now you can see that Jonas's is green.
Not for long.
That is yellow. That one
Alright.
is also green with a little bit of red.
We
And
got
there
it.
we go. Jonas got a little blue to go in there.
Can I have some, Jojo?
A little bit of blue.
That is a beautiful color.
Still looks green.
And now shaving cream.
Ooh, it's on the camera it looks green, but it's kind of like turquoise, a little bit like that.
A little. And look who's tossing in the shaving cream.
Me too. I already did.
And Lauren did too.
I'm a slow learner.
Yeah.
Now does it look kind of turquoise?
A little.
Green. Okay, so Barbasol now.
Oh yeah, get the shaving
Oh
cream.
yeah, baby.
If you
Yeah,
want,
just take that
if you
shaving
want it to be, if you want this new slime to be really fluffy, then put a lot of shaving cream in.
All
If you
right.
put too much shaving cream, doesn't it become cloud slime?
A little. Yeah.
All right. Then you would put an activator, which would also be contact solution.
Yes. I've done this a little bit, but I'm not a pro at it like these two are. If there was an Olympics for slime making, these two would probably win gold medals. Right?
I judged these three before.
Oh yeah.
Okay, who actually won that?
Lauren did.
Me.
Lauren did.
Yeah, she won.
So I'm guessing we need some activator now.
Yes.
Okay, put in the little activator.
There you go. Guys, this is the video. Pretty savage, am I right? Like and subscribe.
It really does. Grandma's soap.
Guys, like and subscribe to the video. Put hit the bell icon. That means you'll be notified every day when my videos come out. Well, not every day, but most of the days. And look how the slime's turning out. Well, not for well, but I mean, it's working. It's working.
Point, I think you might want
Somehow.
a little bit more.
What happened to yours?
Yeah, what did happen? Can I use that little
Maybe too much shaving cream. I don't know.
I think you put too much sugar. And this is Sophie's right now. Look how pretty.
Already.
Jonas?
Quite beautiful.
You can start touching yours soon. And get your hands all slime.
I bet my viewers are gonna love me getting my hands dirty.
Well,
Oh my gosh. Lauren, pick up yours again?
mine's soup.
Oh
Want
my
some
god.
banana soup?
Oh my, no thanks. I don't think any of them would like some banana soup.
Yeah. Okay, not too much, Joe.
And then, here. You need quite a bit.
Oh, you guys.
More.
Okay, I think that's good.
Oh yeah, and guys,
I
if
think
you
that's
just
good.
heard my sister, she said my nickname. Apparently, she just called me my nickname Joj. Well, it's not Joj, it's Jojo, but it's pretty savage.
More shaving cream.
Jonas?
Don't think it's working out very well.
Okay, Lawrence.
Yours coming.
Okay, Lawrence is actually starting to
You have
become
to-
slime.
You put in too much shaving cream.
No, he has to keep on mixing it. George, you have to keep on mixing it.
Wait, what's missing in Jonas's that's making it so weird?
I
think he put in
shaving
too-
cream.
Yeah.
Too much shaving cream?
Yeah, I think you have to mix
a little
it.
bit of activate.
Yeah, I think you have
Good.
to mix it some more.
Ah, I got
No.
some activator on me.
Starting.
Hold on. I got
Oh, I got it, Jonas.
You know what? Who even needs soap? Am I right?
That's.
Well, actually, kids, you need hygiene. You need cleanness in your life.
So everyone needs soap.
So guys, let's stay tuned for more videos because later we might actually be teaming up in a video with Ryder Geiger Games himself. I know he's my cameraman right now for today because we just asked him. But why are you laughing out?
Because I went to smell it and it touched my lip.
Can I have some glue? I need more glue so it sticks a little better.
Okay, I'm just gonna let him know.
Yeah. This is how we're gonna make it on the most satisfying.
Here, guys. Here, I'm just gonna touch this.
It might be a little sticky. I'm still
A little
working.
sticky.
Yeah,
I mean,
I'm
I
still
still some stuff stuck to my hand a bit.
I'm still
Mine's
working
still a
on it.
little sticky too.
Yeah, I'm working on mine.
Oh, let's see what Jonas's feels like. His is kind of sticky.
Yeah, I just put glue in.
You put it in right when you put. Why would you touch it right when you put in glue?
I don't know, okay?
Oh gosh, putting some activator in this.
Got some lotion. Do you need some more?
Please. Thank you. That's
All
all right.
right.
I guess I should feel Lauren now.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch.
Little scared. Oh god, it's so gross. Look at that. Ew. Look at this, guys. Look at what Lauren's did to me.
That's because it's so little.
This slime is so
Guys, look at my
satisfying.
slime.
This slime is so satisfying.
Like, still puffy.
Jonas is actually somehow turned from green to kind of a blue color.
Oh gosh.
So weird.
Because of all that, like shaving cream.
My slime is like so satisfying.
Logan gotta wash his hands.
Let's be quiet. At least I'm still running the camera.
What the heck?
What?
I need more shaving cream, George.
So do I.
Dojang.
Okay.
Activate your stupid butt.
Lauren, you do realize that's going on the
So
internet,
guys,
right?
in the description,
know.
in the description below, in the comment section below, sorry. Tell me whose Slime looks
one.
But who's slime one? Who looks the coolest?
Well,
Enter J for Jonas, enter S for Sophie, and enter L for Lauren. Okay, I want everyone just to hold up their piece.
I'm not
okay?
done yet.
I know, just hold it up for like right now.
I
Okay.
need shaving cream.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay, so Jonas is like holding up pretty good.
I know, look, I wanted mine to drop.
Mine started out terrible, but it's working out now because we need us an activator.
Yo.
But
Here, I can put it in.
Jonas is
My
very,
hands are, like,
very sticky. Jonas, show him your hands. Like, show him your hands. If you can even get that off of you.
Oh, I can.
Sophie gave me too much shaving cream because she wouldn't let me do it myself.
Because your hands are full of it.
Okay,
Oh,
ready?
gosh, look at mine.
Okay.
Hey,
Hey, mommy.
Okay, now show us your hands. Like, take the slime off and show us just your hands. Okay, just show us one of your
Ooh, it
hands.
smells
Holy
like shaving
crap!
cream. It smells like shaving cream. I love
So.
shaving cream.
So can you spray some on mine?
Yeah.
No, not shaving cream. Oh, not shaving cream.
This?
Activator?
What's that?
Oh, me too.
Thank you.
Nice.
Oh God, this is how sticky it is. It caught my spoon.
Let's look at take your spoon out of there.
It's stuck. It's.
Okay, let's take a look at the spoon.
Shaving cream, please. In the middle.
Look at that. That happened because of Jonas's.
Yeah.
Jeez.
My spoon still has some.
Activator. Some put activator.
Okay, guys, let's get a thing of what they're seeing. So I'm going to put the camera right by their heads, and this is what they see. This is their angle of perspective.
A messy mess.
Put it
yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
Right in front of my face before
This
I
is,
fall.
this is her perspective. It's creepy.
Okay, there we go.
This is my slime.
My slime is actually turning out
Put activator.
really good.
Lauren has it.
Here, anyone else need some activator?
Me.
Okay, set it out and.
I need some. Okay, that's good.
Mine is like a cloud. It's like I'm feeling
You're making cloud slime?
so puffy. Well, I don't know. It's so puffy. You want me to touch it?
Yeah.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
I
I'm good.
think if you put a lot of
This.
yeah, shaving cream in, you actually might make cloud slime.
If you guys want to make cloud slime, just put in make half your bowl of this.
yeah.
You'll
Yeah.
get cloud slime. Jonas's is, well, how sticky is it, Jonas?
Actually now it's pretty smooth. Like it sticks
Okay.
on you, but you can pull it.
Don't
Look.
Okay, let's see how sticky Sophie's is.
I'm still making mine right now.
I can see white shaving cream everywhere.
I know because I put more shaving cream in.
Oh, jeez, guys.
I want mine really fluffy. What can I say?
Guys,
Can I have some more
have-
shaving cream?
for likes, we'll make a part 2 with Ryder Guard Gaming.
So
If
Sure.
he agrees to it.
Sure. Whatever. Anyway.
Look at it. It's wonderful now.
Blip, blip, blip.
I just put in shaving cream so my camera does not go on my slime mess.
mine is actually
Oh
turning out
my
good.
gosh.
It's
My
really,
whole,
all I can say is my slime is very, very fluffy.
and all I can say, this goes in here. Ooh, oh my gosh. I did not think this would be so.
It's at 14 minutes. Wrap it up.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been the Gaming Lion18. Thanks for watching.
Everyone say bye.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Okay.
Hit the bell icon to get notified for every video. Thank you and see ya.
Everyone say bye.
Bye.